So you might be asking, what kind of diet will I have to follow with the Flat Belly Fix? In the Flat Belly Fix system, you'll only have a tea for breakfast. Lunch and dinner will need to be the meals suggested in the program. What's crucial here is that it's not the tea that helps in the weight loss, but the fact that by not having a full breakfast, you'll be adopting a protocol known as intermittent fasting. This is a highly effective method for weight loss. Todd has adapted intermittent fasting and made it a part of the Flat Belly Fix. Are there any recipes provided? You're provided with 15 smoothie recipes to help you get sufficient antioxidants and micronutrients in your diet. These smoothies will not only boost your immune system, but they can also act as meal replacements as they will provide the nutrients your body needs. In fact, you'll actually feel less hungry and have fewer cravings when you're drinking these smoothies. How long does this system last? This is a 21-day system which also focuses on leptin sensitivity, your hunger and appetite, and other important factors that can be stumbling blocks when trying to lose extra weight. When you can control your hormones, you can control your weight. This system will give you the tools to do just that. The included Flat Belly Fix guide is very detailed about everything. Here is a list of the main chapters you'll find inside the guide for this 21-day system. Rationale, the secret FBFT, benefits of turmeric for women, benefits of turmeric for men, the benefits of chai tea, the benefits of green tea, grass-fed butter, cinnamon, leptin sensitivity, insulin sensitivity and resistance, medium-chain triglycerides, Lactobacillus L. reuteri, gender-specific benefits for women, gender-specific benefits for men, the protocol, meal timings and composition, visual references, food list, questions and answers. All in all, it's an amazingly complete guide to follow. Sound too good to be true? Follow me to the next video for some things you should know before you buy.